In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to Samsung Wallet. First, you will want to open the settings on your Samsung device. This is typically represented by a gear icon, which is easy to locate. Once you tap on it, you will see a variety of options available that allow you to customize your device. This step is crucial because the settings menu is where you can control essential features, including security settings that protect your information. Navigating through the settings is straightforward, and you will soon be on your way to enhancing your Samsung Wallet's security. Next, tap on the option labeled Lock Screen and AOD. AOD stands for Always On Display, and this setting is important because it relates to how your screen behaves when it's locked. By selecting Lock Screen and AOD, you are diving deeper into your phone's security features. This is a vital section because it will allow you to manage how your device secures your apps, including Samsung Wallet. You will see several more options appear, leading you closer to setting that much-needed password. From there, you will tap on Screen Lock Type. This step is where you can select the type of security that best fits your preferences. You may see various options such as pattern, PIN, password, and biometrics like fingerprint or face recognition. Choosing the right method is essential because it ensures that your wallet remains secure. This also adds an extra layer of protection, which is particularly important for sensitive information. Once you select this option, you will be prompted to verify your current lock if necessary. Now, if prompted, verify your current lock. This is a straightforward action that confirms you are authorized to make changes to your security settings. It might involve entering your current PIN, pattern, or password. This step is essential because it helps maintain the integrity of your device's security. After verification, you will have the necessary permissions to proceed with setting up a new password, which is a significant aspect of securing your Samsung Wallet. After that, tap on Password. This option allows you to set a brand new password specifically for your device's lock screen. Remember, Samsung Wallet does not use a separate password. It relies on this password for its security. Choosing a strong password is important because it safeguards your information from unauthorized access. Make sure to pick something memorable yet secure. Once you tap this option, you will be directed to a screen where you can enter your new password. At this point, enter a new password. It is recommended to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. This is a critical step because a strong password greatly reduces the risk of a security breach. Take a moment to think of a password that is both secure and easy for you to remember. Once you have entered the password, you will then tap Continue to move forward in the process. Next, you will need to re-enter the password. This step is designed to confirm that you have typed your desired password correctly. It acts as a double check to prevent any mistakes that could lock you out of your device. This is an important measure because it ensures you won't face difficulties accessing your Samsung Wallet later on. Once you've entered the password again, you can confidently proceed to the next step. Finally, tap Confirm. This action finalizes your new password setup. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. This reassurance is crucial, as it confirms that your Samsung Wallet is now better protected. With these steps completed, you can feel confident that your sensitive information is secure. Thank you for following along and enjoy the enhanced security of your Samsung Wallet.